When it's about hiking, hikers want to travel as much light as possible. If you are one of them, try out hiking sandals to enjoy the utmost comfort on the trails instead of wearing hiking boots or shoes. As you know, hiking sandals protect your feet from the elements and give you the feel of a barefoot walk thanks to their lightweight design. However, all sandals that you'll find out there will not provide you with such facilities. Therefore, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best sandals for hiking that will offer you optimum comfort, keeping your feet safe and secured, and allowing you to walk or run comfortably on any uneven terrains. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Water-friendly with high-quality webbing, the Teva Terra 5 Universal lets you stand up to abuse, while its superior cushioning helps you hike on the trail pretty comfortably. Teva's upper webbing is made of rep-free recycled polyester, making it highly durable and letting you dry the sandal pair fast after getting wet. Besides, this hiking sandal comes with adjustable hook and loop closures, which are easy to on and off and ensure a perfect fit. You will notice that each sandal pair contains PU molded midsole along with a TPU shank on the midsection. Both features support your foot mile after mile and let you walk on uneven terrains comfortably. These hiking sandals also work on wet surfaces and provide fantastic traction thanks to their rugged spider rubber outsole. Now let's talk about Teva sandals' weight. Surprisingly, each pair is super light and weighs only about 14.25 ounces. All being said, the Teva Terra 5 Universal is appropriate for those who are planning for a memorable hike and prefer putting on a pair of robust, lightweight, comfortable, and affordable hiking sandals. If you are looking for flexibility, perfect fit, and protection in a pair of lightweight hiking sandals, then get your eyes locked on this keen Clearwater CNX, which is designed to provide comfort alongside a customized fit. This sandal's upper webbing consists of washable 100% polyester, offering exceptional longevity and comfort. Aside from that, each pair contains hydrophobic mesh linings that provide you with a smooth and comfortable feel against your skin. The keen footwear also comes with a lightweight EVA midsole along with a TPU shank for added comfort and support to your feet. Moreover, they feature a non-marking rubber outsole with razor sipping and multi-directional flex screws for enhanced traction on slippery surfaces. The Keen hiking sandal also boasts a contoured arch that supports midfoot, while its metatarsal ridge offers natural underfoot support. Lastly, the sandal pair has a secure fit lace capture system for easy slip-on, and this pair is ultra-light. Each weighs only 9 ounces, promoting a more comfortable walk. Overall, this Keen Clearwater CNX sandal is lightweight, flexible, low profile, and offers a secure and customized fit to help you walk comfortably on uneven trails. With a rugged outsole, a comfortable midsole with a secure lace system, the ORIGEN 2.0 creates an earth-friendly and ultra-durable platform that helps you accomplish any trail adventure. The ORIGEN features 2 leather laces with leather tech straps that provide you with a secure fit and help you stay well grounded on rocky or uneven surfaces. Like most traditional hiking sandals, Luna comes with a vibrant midsole and a non-slip MGD footbed, ensuring optimum comfort for off-road hiking and adverse weather conditions. Alongside that, Each sandal houses a rugged outsole, which is, in a sense, an upcycled tire tread that offers excellent traction even on slippery pathways. This ORIGEN footwear is exceptionally light, weighing at around 8.6 ounces, and provides you with a lightweight feel while walking in the woods for a long time. In summary, from backcountry trail to city sidewalk, the ORIGEN 2.0 provides maximum comfort and ensures footing thanks to its high traction outsole, durable midsole, and adjustable uppers. On the hunt for a pair of best quality hiking sandals? Well, meet this undeniably popular men's Chaco Z1 Classic, designed to provide adamantine durability and an awe-inspiring level of comfort. Each pair comes with a polyester jacket webbing upper that wraps around your foot and provides a customized fit. Plus, this Chaco Z1 features high tensile webbing heel risers and injection molded ladder lock buckles for added protection. Now take a look at the midsection. You'll see that these sandals have a vegan-friendly construction and feature a PU midsole, which is podiatry certified by Lucid to provide all-day comfort. The Chaco Z1 also contains a rugged outsole featuring a non-marking Chaco grip rubber compound with 3.5mm lugs. For that, these sandals can grip tenaciously across wet trails. So, no matter which area you choose to hike, the men's Chaco Z1 Classic will always support your foot and provide you with utmost comfort while trekking along backcountry, slippery shorelines, and more. Enjoy your hike with the most comfortable pair of hiking sandals, widely known as XERO Z-Trail. This pair of sandals offer unparalleled protection, comfort, durability, and flexibility. The Z-Trail's most striking feature is its 3-layer fill-light sole, which makes the sandal pair exceptional from the rest hiking sandals on our list. Let's break down the 3-layer functionality. Each pair's bottom features a fill-through rubber, offering excellent grip while making the sandal pair resistant to abrasion. The Z-Trail can also provide an incredible amount of force absorption thanks to its trail foam middle layer. When the middle layer ensures protection, the Z-Trail's top bare foam layer offers the utmost comfort. This pair of hiking sandals contains super comfortable tubular webbing with no hard edges. As a result, you'll never get rashes on your skin after a long day hike. Besides, these sandals are super light and weigh only 5.4 ounces. Thus, this hiking footwear will give you a barefoot feel even though your feet are fully protected. All in all, this XERO Z-Trail is backed by high quality features that let your feet bend and flex naturally while hiking through tropical jungles, alpine streams, or any other rugged terrain. So that was all about the 5 best sandals for hiking just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.